Boric acid is a weak, monobasic Lewis acid of boron, often used as an antiseptic, insecticide, flame retardant, neutron absorber, or precursor to other chemical compounds. It occurs naturally in minerals such as borax. In its natural state, it appears as a colorless or white crystalline solid. It has a wide range of applications, from medicinal to industrial. For instance, it's used in some eye washes to soothe irritated eyes, as a pesticide, in nuclear power plants as a neutron absorber, and in the manufacture of fiberglass and textile products as a flame retardant. However, it's essential to handle it with care as it can be toxic if ingested or inhaled in large quantities. Uses in the lab: pH buffer, maintains pH in chemical reactions. Preservative, prevents microbial growth in samples. Antiseptic, used for cleaning and sterilizing lab equipment. Insecticide, effective in pest control experiments.